So today I have a quick unboxing for you guys from one of my favorite smaller brands, Draken watches. They make kind of a utility, sporty, tough, rugged watches, the type of watches that I like the most. So excited about this one. This will be, I think, the third watch I've seen from the company. In full disclosure, this was given to the channel for free. Does not have to be returned, but like always, the company has no say into the content of today's video. Off topic, I got this epic shirt last weekend. If you're not following, at TimeToGo 1978 on Instagram. I was actually at a little watch get together hosted by my good friend. He's at Ian Cognito on Instagram, and he gifted us all the shirts. The company has nothing to do with me, but he works with them. SwiftTees.com. Check them out if you're looking for some custom t-shirts. Again, not an ad by me, but really liking the shirt. So let's get to it and unbox the Draken. All right, so let's get into it here. We've got a branded box, Draken with the logo. Just in time for a Father's Day trip to the cottage. I think this is going to be the perfect watch for the weekend coming up. Bob, thanks again for being a big Draken supporter. Enjoy the watch. Mike, thank you very much. Mike, I'm pretty sure he does a handwritten note with all of his watches. What have we got here? Pressure test. That's pretty cool. I'm going to take a closer look at that after. Well, here's the name of the watch. I looked it up, and I think it's pronounced Aoraki, which is the name of the tallest mountain in New Zealand. These guys are out of New Zealand. The mountain is also known as Mount Cook, I believe. A little bit of warranty information, instructions, all of that. I believe all the watches, at least that I've seen, have come in this mole pouch. Check that out. Velcro patch with the name of the watch. Very cool. Yeah. 2 strap options. We've got the NATO and the Bund. Nice. Take the sticker off. Love the crown at the 430. And one thing I was reading a couple of reviews from customers on the website. They were talking about the AR being next level AR, and it seems to be just that. So I'm really happy about that. Give me 1 second to get these off of the little wooden holder here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so just removing the bun strap from the wooden holder there, it picked up a little bit of that wear already, and yeah, this is going to look awesome after. This is going to break in really nicely. I am looking forward to getting some time with it on the Bund. Got signed hardware there. To the watch, there's 4 versions of this watch. Two are sold out currently. I believe this is called the Milspec. Got it signed Draken there. Oh, we've got pierced lugs. Yeah. I think this is in that sweet spot too of about 39 millimeters. We'll go through pricing, measurements, tell you a little bit how the watch wears after a few days of wear. Again, I'll be wearing it at the cottage this weekend. Let's take a look at the case back. For the most part, a sterile case back. But this is a sturdy feeling watch, I will say that. Nice. Let me give you guys a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. And this looks awesome on olive green. Love that it's a single pass. I'm more of a fan of a single pass than the NATO style straps. Yeah, this is really nice. Gonna save it for the follow-up video on the watch, but from my experience, the loom has been really good on these watches too, so looking forward to checking that out. I was gonna also save it for the follow-up video, the bund strap, but let's give that a try too. And here it is on the bund, and this looks so cool. I've had a hard time finding a good bund strap that sits right on wrist, but this pretty much conforms perfectly to the wrist right out of the box with no break-in. Loving that look. Thanks again to Mike from Draken for getting this out to the channel. I'm going to really enjoy wearing this and coming back to you with a full follow-up video, give you a little bit more details on the watch. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.